This morning, we are once again waking up to a hazy sky over St. Louis. You may have noticed it over the past few days, too. Some drivers have reached out to 5 on your side asking why they can barely see the arch. As Gary has been saying, the haze is a mix of smoke from the wildfires in Canada and dust from the Great Plains. Right now, those conditions are prompting air quality concerns in our area, and some viewers, they want to know, how does this impact their health?
You had questions, we got answers, right? Our Diamond Palmer is looking into the concerns. She joined us now live from downtown. Diamond, what did you learn?
Yeah, Sydney and Rennie, like you said, it does impact your health. We want to show you the arch today. Really a much different picture than what you saw yesterday. That's in a 24-hour span. We heard from Gary, of course, this morning saying that this smoke and this haze is continuing to move east, which is a good thing. But in terms of your health, it could have some impacts to you. If you have lung disease or asthma, you may be noticing that impact already. The American Lung Association says it is unhealthy and can be harmful to sensitive groups, including children, older adults, and people with diseases like COPD. And when you look farther in the distance, that's when you can kind of see still that smoke and haze here in the downtown area. Take a listen to what the American Lung Association had to say.
Kids and adults with asthma coming in with wheezing, new-onset coughs, tons of congestion, burning of eyes. I know it's going to be a busy week in clinic when I see those those settings in our atmosphere coming in, because there's such triggers for people with underlying disease.
Now, if you are having a continued or persistent cough, that's when the American Lung Association says you should seek medical care. Things to help this, of course, include wearing a mask if you're spending long periods of time outdoors. Also, make sure that you're keeping your windows up in your car and your home. Reporting live downtown, Diamond Palmer, 5 on your side.